In today's video, we're going to show you how to add your high school or university to your Snapchat profile. Whether you want to connect with classmates or just show off your school spirit, adding your school is a great way to personalize your Snapchat profile. Let's jump right into it. First, make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat installed. If you haven't updated in a while, head over to your app store and check for updates to make sure everything is running smoothly. Once you're ready, open up the Snapchat app and head to your profile by tapping on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can make all sorts of changes to your account. Now, scroll down until you see the Community section. This is where you'll find the option to add your school. Tap on Add School to get started. Next, you'll be prompted to select whether you want to add a university or a high school. For today's example, we're going to focus on high schools, but if you're in university, the steps are almost exactly the same. So go ahead and tap on Add University. Once you select this option, Snapchat will show you a list of schools. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to find your high school or university. Just type in the name of your school and select it from the search results. After selecting your school, Snapchat will ask you to choose your graduation year. Go ahead and pick the year that fits, whether you've already graduated or are still working towards that diploma. Now comes the important part. You'll need to verify your student status. Snapchat will ask for your official school email address, so make sure you have that handy. Enter your school email and tap Next. Snapchat will send a verification email to the address you entered, so hop over to your inbox to confirm your school affiliation. Once you've confirmed your email, you're all set. Your school will now appear on your Snapchat profile, showing everyone where you're studying or graduated from. It's a great way to find and connect with other students from your school, and it adds a little more personal flair to your profile. Don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.